What's up, everybody? Welcome again to my YouTube channel. And first thing first, we are 500 of us, so that is a big milestone for this channel, and I want to thank everybody who has been coming back to this channel and showing support. You guys have been coming and watching my videos, which I really appreciate. And if this is your first time coming to this channel or watching my videos or encountering my video for the first time, my name is Pelnino and I do travel, vlog, real estate and area footages. But today we have a very amazing episode. Today we want to take a look at Uhuru Park, because we all understand it has been going a major facelift, and these are some of the things that have taken place over the year that the park has been closed.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and the ongoing renovation of these two iconic parks has been a master plan for the Nairobi Metropolitan Service.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you.
A master plan by the Nairobi Metropolitan Service indicated that the new look will involve installing of modern facilities and amenities which the park has been lacking over the years of its operation. Uhuru Park will boost manicured lawn, maintain trees, enhance walkways and green spaces.